All right, now I'm Brandon, Therapeutic Fragrance. Another introduction to house I've been waiting for just as long as the other ones. Rising Phoenix is on the channel. Heard so much about this guy. So many people telling me to get his stuff. Just so much out there. So it's time. It's now. I don't know. I'm going to review this stuff. That's why I've been doing the unboxings. Last year, I unboxed so much stuff that didn't even make it to the channel. Some of it valuable. Some of it you guys might like, even though I didn't. It's just when you go through 1,000 things, there's only 365 days in a year. I need a few off. Last year I was doing one review a morning. This one I'm not. The unboxings make it easier, so I can put up 3 or 4 a week. I'm very fast. I got like the best equipment, so it's quick for me to do these videos. That's why I do them. Rising Phoenix, let's get to it. So just simple package, paid for everything. It's another reason I'm slowing down. I want to focus my money on other stuff like myself, doing my own things. Little normal red bag, velvet, 2 of them. No logo on the bag. It's Etsy shop too. I just never know about Etsy, how I feel about it. So let's see what's in here. I know the main thing I ordered, I forget what, he's one of the stores like the other ones that, and I talked about somebody else with this. We literally go to the cart. Oh yeah, I want that. So confusing. Etsy's so confusing. Next page, it opens like 10 tabs. And when I go to the cart, it's too expensive. I backed off like 4 times from this guy too. Same reason. I mean, it's just so hard to choose from these guys when they do that. And then I'm so tired by that time, I'm like, I don't give a crap if I want the other one. Because then I'm like, oh, I want that one, but I want that one. And my mind's done by that time. This is the one I wanted, so I just made sure I got it. Sicilian vanilla. I forget what else I got. Yeah, and now he has the Kyara on there. My goodness, I just had to block my eyes every time I saw it. It's for just like 5 to 10 drops, $500. All right, we got some stuff here. Nice sealed pouch, so that if the oils do spill, you can swipe them up in the pouch, I guess, or keep them there. No oil looks like it spilled. We always smell. Okay, looks like these are brand approved. Yeah, nothing spilled. What do we have here? So his Bushido, I think we'll see if it's a nude really quick. Interesting, smells like a very nice, different. I think oud. Again, it's over a week ago I did this. It's confusing. Not like I have I'm buying too much, so I don't have the stuff memorized. I'm not joking when I unbox with you guys. It's just I'm going through too much. Trust my nose. This is oud. It smells like oud. It smells like a fantastic oud. Dirty, clean. When I say dirty, it's I don't know if it's Hindi or not, but nice elements. Heavy dirt, not barnyard. Clean air. Yummy, yummy. What do we got? I'm saving Sicilian vanilla for over here. So, the Thai blue lotus attar. I don't want to wear this. I want to wear this on its own. See if I want to buy more. Oh, man. Sweet. Oh, man. Sensuality right there. It just opens the blue lotus, just opens something up. And I've heard he has a really good distillation of some. I can't wait to wear it. I'll put just a dab on the finger, see how it does. Great lotus note, just that pure, not quite orris butter, but in that realm, but lighter and more air, more ambergris, towards ambergris than it is towards orris. But it's got that wet plaster of Paris, but sweet. It's sweet, thick, sweet paste. Some sensuality to it too at the same time with all of that. And just a different earth to it. This is one of the first lotuses I've smelled on its own. I've smelled it as a note in perfume. Oh, it's a lotus attar, so I don't know what else is in there. This is really good, this blue lotus attar. It keeps pulling me back. Just a clean earth. Almost, I grew up with salt flats, almost that kind of salt flat smell with the sweet, that earthy plaster Paris on top. What's this one? 2019 Oleng. I think this was a sample. That's got some heavy smokiness to it. Heavy. Wonder if that's a perfume ingredient. It could be used as a perfume ingredient. Just heavy, dark, almost like a liquid smoke, but I hate the smell of liquid smoke, but natural. Sheba's sample. I smelled this before. Rose. It's got to be rose. Heavy rose. Heavy rose. I'm not getting any oud. Just a heavy rose elixir on Sheba. Okay, let's get to the show. The show. I've been waiting for that. This is why I went to the side every time and then just backed off with if I saw Kyara or oud. Well, that's the thing, because I was deciding who to buy oud from. So I put once you put that oud in there, it's so expensive. And then I was like, oh, I don't know if I want oud from him. By the time I come back, I forget to buy. Just confusing. Oh, here we go. Woo-hoo-hoo. We're doing a full wearing today. Brothers and sisters. I want to smell the syrup. Take this, Tom Ford. Sicilian Vanilla by Rising Phoenix. Should I do a versus? Oud wood. Light rubs. Pulse point. The beard love. Ladies, get that hair. Get your hair. You're going to float in the tar all day with it on your hair. Oh, what a great tobacco. Very good tobacco. The vanilla is not overpowering. Let's see what it does in the dry down. I'm positive. I won't commit to it, but I'm sure that that's getting a review. The Sicilian vanilla. Tobacco is not dark like Tabac Grande by Salt and Pash, if you guys are familiar with that. It's more blonde. Okay, Bushido, Oleng, Sheba. I think there's one I didn't try. Mirage. Some citrus, whatnot. Oh, the one I wanted to get that I didn't. I don't think he had samples of it. Is dang it, I didn't get it. I'm gonna cry. Egyptian musk attar. I have a friend that buys some Egyptian musk, and I want him to try something from a real artisan. I'm in this barbershop with these hip kids, and I start taking them all these scents, and they're just blowing away every time. That's good. It's not what you expect. You think Sicilian vanilla, you think you're just going to get the strong tobacco, strong vanilla. You get neither. They're there. The tobacco's like tobacco flower, blonde tobacco almost. I don't know notes blind. I just know it's popular. The vanilla is subtle. You want to drink it. This is the kind of vanilla iced latte that I want in my custom espresso shots. Anyways, it was fun doing a happier video for you guys. All love from my channel. Peace out. Peace to you guys. Peace. Be blessed. Take it easy.